Good day, everybody. Welcome to our tool overview. In this session, I'd like to go through some of the core functionality of our automation unification framework called Visual Orchestrate, or simply VO, a solution intended to bring all IT automation together under a single umbrella, that is, one user interface, and encourage the promotion and sharing of automation across teams. So first of all, we go to the login page and enter our details. On logging in, the first thing we see is the Home dashboard, a dashboard responsible for providing us with some executive automation insights, which includes in the top section, available automation scripts by function, for example, build, load, or shakedown. Exit status of our automation scripts, in other words, completed versus failed, underlying automation technology or language used. And below these, in the bottom section, we have percentage, or breakdown, of automation scripts by lifecycle phase, and recently added or published automation scripts. Note that the philosophy behind Visual Orchestrate is to make all automation across the lifecycle available through the simple process of identification, categorization, and then binding. With respect to categorization, we group our automation into logical families, that is via blobs and sub-blobs. The reason we have blobs is to simplify navigation. For example, if I was looking for a set of build scripts associated with my RBS cap application, then I'd simply select Build, then RBS, then Cap. Alternatively, if I was unsure where a VO script might reside, I could always use the automation search facility. For example, search for the words cap and build. Independent of the underlying technology, whether it be a chef cookbook or a Jenkins build script or a mainframe batch job or perhaps a bespoke DR solution written in-house, Visual Orchestrate is all about providing a layer of abstraction and simplification. As a user of Visual Orchestrate, all I need to know is how to navigate and execute scripts, and I don't really care that there are 20 different types of automation and/or languages underneath the hood. As an example of usage, if I decided to run one of the available automations, I'd simply select the VO script required, review and/or change configurations if necessary, and then select Run Script to add the job to the VO scheduler. I'd then simply wait for the scheduled job to complete and go to the log area to review success. For example, I can check to see if it completed successfully, and, if necessary, I could review the output log. As can be seen in this simple example, VO is all about making it easy for the consumer to access and use IT automation. There is no need to learn 20 different types of tool interfaces, and there is no need to wait for some external team to organize and complete it for you. Basically, VO is about unifying automation and promoting self-service. In addition to supporting real-time execution, VO also comes with the ability to schedule tasks. This may be more appropriate if certain tasks need to be run regularly. For example, I might want to organize an environment health check every morning at 7 a.m. In other words, before the dev testers start work. Through the VO scheduler interface, we can easily create schedules that run at different intervals. In other words, hourly, daily, monthly, etc. Invoke one or more scripts, which may or may not have dependencies on each other, and send out notifications once completed. And finally, Visual Orchestrate comes with some light reporting facilities. Reporting that allows you to determine usage behavior, such as what scripts are being used most often, in other words, which are most popular, and how scripts are generally performing, or how long they're typically taking to run. Okay. That's all I'm going to cover today. Thank you for your time. To recap, our VO solution is all about unifying your cross-lifecycle automation, abstraction and simplification of your automation, consumer self-service, and promotion of your existing automation methods. Note that VO is not about replacing your existing automation methods and solutions. VO is about making them more available. That is, more available across teams or divisions and more available across lifecycle phases, and ultimately a unified automation framework will make IT team members more self-sufficient and accelerate overall IT service and operational capability.